everyone, I am Suramya Suresh, a volunteer at Shivi Forensics. In this video, we are exploring how forensic experts record friction-rich details, that is fingerprints, from deceased individuals, especially when the body has undergone changes like decomposition, maceration, or even burning. The main contents of this video are introduction, recording of recently deceased subjects, recording decomposed friction-rich detail, recording macerated friction-rich skin, recording desiccated friction-rich skin, recording rehydrated friction-rich skin, recording charred friction-rich skin, and conclusion. Friction ridges are the unique patterns on our fingers, palm, toes, and soles that help identify individuals. However, after death, decomposition alters the skin, making fingerprint collection challenging. In this video, I will explain the scientific techniques used to record fingerprint from bodies in different postmortem conditions. Recording friction ridges of recently deceased subjects. If the hands are fresh and in good condition, recording prints is quite simple. The fingers are straightened, the palm is flattened, and ink is used to obtain prints. If rigor mortis has set in, we must first break the rigor by forcibly straightening the fingers. After this, we can use spoon-shaped instrument for recording the rich details. However, if the hand is severely curled and cannot be straightened, the tendons responsible for curling can be cut. After this, traditional ink methods work efficiently. Decomposition can affect the skin in many ways, and the method used will depend on its condition. If skin present and not badly damaged, ink method can still be used but with extra care. If skin is rubbery or separating, the loose skin can be removed, cleaned, dried, and placed on examiner's gloved finger. A 10 to 15% formaldehyde solution can help firm the skin. Another approach is to soak the skin in 10% formaldehyde, rinse it, dry it, then record as usual. If skin is completely decomposed, sometimes the underside of the skin or the dermis still show usable rich detail. This can be photographed or inked. If skin is brittle or fragile, flatten the skin between two glass plates and photograph it. Transmitted light, shining light through the skin helps reveal rich detail. If necessary, saline can be used to increase transparency. Recording macerated friction-rich skin. Maceration occurs when skin is submerged in water for a long time. The skin absorbs water, swells, wrinkles, and eventually loosens. If loose or wrinkled skin is there, pull the skin backward to smoothen it and then record using ink. If skin is wrinkled but stiff, inject tissue builder or glycerin into the finger bulb to restore the shape. If the skin is loose and damaged, remove the skin gently, clean it, dip it in alcohol and place it over gloved finger for printing. If epidermis is missing or destroyed, use osmotic rehydration. Heat water to just below boiling. Immerse the skin for 10 seconds. Clean it with soft brush. Apply alcohol. Dust with black powder and lift the print with white adhesive tape. Recording desiccated friction skin. Traditional method required cutting off hands or feet for long chemical treatments. A safer modern alternative is to use silicone casting material like microsil. Here is how. Clean and dry the skin. Apply black fingerprint powder. Apply the silicone casting material. After 15 minutes, peel off the cast. These casts clearly capture rich details and can be photographed. Recording rehydrated friction skin. Once rehydration softens the skin, we can improve rich visibility. Two methods are used. First one is injection. Inject tissue builder or glycerin from the nail side towards the center of the finger to fill out the pattern area. Second method is powder and tape. Dust lightly with black powder, apply lifting tape smoothly, remove the tape and place it on a clear plastic sheet for preservation. Recording charred friction skin. Charred skin becomes brittle and easily damaged. In extreme cases, photography with oblique light may be the only option. Another method involves separating the epidermis from the dermis by refrigerating hands or feet for 5 to 7 days. Once the skin is loosened, clean it gently with a soft brush, blow dry, ink it using an ink roller and ink plate. Even charred skin can sometimes reveal usable risk patterns. Recording fingerprints from living individuals is usually simple, but post-mortem conditions can make it extremely difficult. Each case requires a different method, depending on decomposition, maceration, drying, or burning. The techniques discussed inking, rehydration, silicone casting, transmitted lighting, and chemical treatments help forensic experts identify unknown deceased individuals and solve criminal cases. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, hit the like button, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more informative videos.